Hey you guys, about to start cleaning this pistol off. You know what I mean? This is the Taurus G2C. This is one of my everyday carry handguns that I'm gonna clean up for y'all. Safety first, clear out the firearm. Then I'm about to start taking down the parts. Real easy takedown. As you see, I'm getting the frame. Want to make sure I get the frame nice and clean. Get my scrub on, get my wipe down on. You know, the best bet I can tell you is if you're a gun owner, a first time gun owner, try, learn how to take down your gun, learn how to clean it. It's my best advice. It save you a couple dollars. It's not hard, it's not rocket science. Clean it the best way you can. For the rest of the video, y'all can get this video up to 100 likes. I will post the next video to finish it off. Thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. And don't be a target.